practice bits. First bit. Dash Sachin is dash Broadman of India. Option A comma the. Option B, the comma the. Option C, no article comma the. Option D, the comma no article. Answer option C, no article comma the. Because in front of proper noun there is no article except when it indicates whole family or used as a common noun or adjective plus proper noun. Bit number 2. Dash Sri Lanka is an island. Option A, the. Option B, no article. Option C, A. Option D, an. Answer option B, no article. Because no article is in front of islands. Bit number 3. I got dash first place in my class. Option A. Option B, an. Option C, the. Option D, no article. Answer option C, the. Bit number 4. I am dash tallest girl in our class. Option A, an. Option B, A. Option C, no article. Option D, the. Answer option D, the. I am the tallest girl in our class. Bit number 5. Dash Nallamala is dash biggest forest. Option A comma the. Option B, the comma A. Option C, an comma the. Option D, the comma the. Answer option D. The Nallamala is the biggest forest. Bit number 6. I like to play dash guitar. Option A, no article. Option B, the. Option C, A. Option D, an. Answer option B, the. I like to play the guitar. Bit number 7. One of my friend lives in dash USA. Option A, the. Option B, an. Option C, no article. Option D, an. Answer option A, the. One of my friend lives in the USA. Bit number 8. Dash rich should help dash poor. Option A, the comma A. Option B, A comma an. Option C, no articles. Option D, the comma the. Answer option D, the comma the. The rich should help the poor. Bit number 9. I like to play dash caroms. Option A, the. Option B, no article. Option C, an. Option D, A. Answer option B, no article. I like to play caroms because there is no article in front of games. Bit number 10. I saw dash boy in dash university. Option A comma the. Option B, the comma A. Option C, no articles. Option D, the comma an. Answer option A comma the. I saw a boy in the university. Bit number 11. I gave you dash orange. Option A. Option B, the. Option C, an. Option D, no article. Answer option C, an. I gave you an orange. Bit number 12. I want dash pen. Can you give me? Option A, an. Option B, the. Option C, A. Option D, no article. Answer option C, A. Bit number 13. I want to meet dash MLA. Option A, the. Option B, an. Option C, A. Option D, no article. Answer option B, an. I want to meet an MLA. Bit number 14. One of my friend is dash European. Option A, the. Option B, an. Option C, A. Option D, no article. Answer option C, A. One of my friend is a European. Bit number 15. There is dash lake near my school. Option A, the. Option B, A. Option C, an. Option D, no article. Answer option B, A. There is a lake near my school. Bit number 16. Dash BJP won the elections. Option A, an. Option B, the. Option C, A. Option D, no article. Answer option B, the. The BJP won the elections. Bit number 17. I bought dash umbrella yesterday. Option A, the. Option B, A. Option C, an. Option D, no article. Answer option C, an. I bought an umbrella yesterday. Bit number 18. My friend works in dash police department. Option A, an. Option B, the. Option C, A. Option D, no article. Answer option B, the. My friend works in the police department. Bit number 19. Dash Everest is the biggest peak. Option A, the. Option B, no article. Option C, A. Option D, an. Answer option B, no article. Everest is the biggest peak. Bit number 20. I like dash Himalayas. Option A, no article. Option B, A. Option C, the. Option D, an. Answer C, I like the Himalayas.